Are you tired of clunky old vacuums like this? I think I've had this thing 20 years and it works great, but it's a pain to drag out. That's why I was excited when I was sent this cordless stick vacuum in return for this video. Hi, my name is Diana, and I have to tell you, I love this thing already. I've been using it and it works super great. I'm going to go over the features. You can decide if it would be a fit for you. Look how light this thing is, but it has a lot of power. Let's check it out. It's a cordless vacuum that feels like it was made for real life. No cords to trip over, no dragging a heavy machine around. Just grab it and go. It's powerful too, with a 650-watt motor and 3 suction modes, so you can switch from delicate hardwood to thick carpet without thinking twice. What I love is how long it lasts. Up to 60 minutes on a single charge, which means you can clean the whole house without stopping halfway to recharge. And if you've got pets, the LED headlight is a game changer. It lights up those sneaky hairs hiding under the sofa or along the baseboards. Plus, the roller brush is designed so hair doesn't wrap around it. Turns 180 degrees so you're not doing yoga moves just to clean under the coffee table. When you're done, empty the dustbin, rinse the filter if needed, and pop it back on the dock. That's it. No bags, no fuss. It's lightweight too, so carrying it upstairs is easy. You know, I have to say, I think what I love best about this is it's so handy. I can just hang it on the wall and it's there whenever I need it for a quick touch up running through the house, and it's fun. I actually found this more relaxing to use than that big old vacuum. So if you're looking for a great stick vacuum that performs, definitely check this one out.